Welcome to our site. So, we have John and Frank. They both will work on this site installing the same amount of piping with similar materials. Let's put them to the test and see how efficient they are. Ready, John? Ready, Frank? The clock is ticking. Stop doing it the hard way and start doing it the smart way. Cello brings you smart, easy, and effective solutions, like the Smart Clamp for the smart ones. Simply twist, lock, and push it in. It's that simple, saving you time and effort, designed with safety and productivity in mind. Cello, small things matter.